Welcome to your Zen in 10 practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to do a release and restore practice, combining a little bit of movement, mindfulness, finishing with a bit of magic. So we'll try to pack a little bit of everything into the next 10 minutes. And for the release, we're going to do some releasing breath. We're going to focus on releasing through the hips, and then the restoration will happen with a little bit of rest we will sprinkle in at the end. So listening to your body, do what feels good. And as always, like, comment, share, let me know what you want in the comments below. And thank you for taking this practice with me. So coming to a comfortable seated position, cross-legged, legs out in front, tuck the heels under the bum, whatever works for you. Just some way that you can sit where your seat bones are grounded, your heart is lifting, the shoulders can soften, and a really long spine here. And again, the invitation, anytime you practice, is to really switch from the busyness of your day and the demands on your attention into a sense of being, coming home to yourself through each of these practices and gifting yourself time and space to move, to breathe, to stretch, just to be. So slowing everything down, letting go of the shoulders, and perhaps asking yourself, what does your body need right now? Or what are you ready to release in this practice? And we'll begin with the breath practice here, where we inhale for 4 and exhale for 8. So we're inhaling and feeling a little uplift in the spine. And with our exhale, it's a slow, long release, letting go of what no longer serves us. So just keep focusing on the count, modify if you have anything respiratory going on, and enjoy that uplift on the inhale and the release as you exhale. So when you're ready, we're going to begin to inhale, 2, 3, 4, and slowly exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one like this. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let that count go. And let your automatic nervous system take over, and let your body breathe how it feels like breathing. And just sitting here with the natural flow of breath. Slowing everything down and simply being. When you feel ready, I'll invite you to take your right leg out to the side. Left heel stays into the bum. And we'll just point and flex that foot. And then we'll go with a few little ankle circles here. And change direction. And then let's turn towards that straight leg. Inhale, we reach really high. Exhale, we go as far over that straight leg as we can. We bend the elbows and let the head come down. If you're a little tight here, you may choose to bend the knee to take the toes or loop a band, strap, belt over the foot. Wherever you are, just softening here, bending the elbows, letting the head come down. Softening the elbows towards the earth and breathing deep and full here. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Soften the shoulders, let the head come down. Breathing in deeply and exhaling fully. And again, inhaling deeply, exhaling fully, and slowly roll the body all the way up. Staying on that right side. Right arm comes out in the leg. Let those fingers point up. Left arm comes all the way up and over. And we want to go to a C-shaped curve here. So I don't want you falling, collapsing. I want you just doing a little C shape here. Lifting the chin. Encouraging the openness from the armpit through the ribs, the hip. We're going to breathe in deeply. And exhale fully, lifting the chin, opening the side body. 2 more, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. And once more, long in-breath, deep full exhale, and roll the body up. Let that arm come down. Lengthen out the left leg, take your right heel into the bum. Left leg goes out and we start by just pointing and flexing that foot. Maybe going for some ankle circles. And different sides of the body will feel completely different, and that's very normal to notice injuries or tightness from side to side. Working with how your body is in this moment. Heel pressing away, toes point towards you. Turn your body over your straight leg, that left leg. Inhale, we reach high, and exhale, we go for the toes. Now, if you're a little bit tighter, the invitation is to bend the knee or loop a belt, band, strap, whatever you've got around. Otherwise, you can take the toes, we take the toes, we bend the elbows, let the head come down, and soften here. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Bending the elbows, head coming down, breathing in deeply and exhale fully. And again, inhaling deeply and exhale fully. Slowly roll the body all the way up. This time we allow the left arm to rest, not left leg. Right arm comes up to the side and we go with that C-shaped curve. So I'm not necessarily looking for you to take the toes. It's more the C curve we're looking for to get that spaciousness from the armpit through the ribs right down to the hips. Lifting the chin, lengthening to the side, breathing in deeply and exhale fully. Inhaling and exhaling. And once more, breathing in and exhale. Roll the body all the way up and release. Let's take soles of the feet together. Little butterfly knees here. So no need to jam or press into the knees, just nice little opening flutters of the knees. And then when you're ready, let's roll onto our backs. Knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Pressing feet into the earth. Begin with a little rock of the pelvis and pick the hip bones high to the sky. Standing into the heels, lifting the hip bones high. Weight in the head, weight in the shoulders. And slowly curling and releasing down. Again, pressing into the feet, rock the pelvis. Lift the hip bones up high to the sky. Weight into the heels, hip bones high. Weight in the shoulders, weight in the head. And slowly curling down. Right ankle crosses over that left thigh. Little few flutters of the knee here, bringing a bit of movement. That knee is going to want to collapse into the tummy, so I would love you to move from the hip, open the knee as far away as you can. Option to stay there if it feels okay. Reach around, take the back of that left thigh, or maybe the front of the left shin. Head, neck and shoulders relaxed. Arm strength, drawing the knee in. Getting a stretching sensation into the outside of the bum, the thigh, the hip. Use the arm strength to go a little deeper. Maybe even a little rock side to side here. Just seeing what feels good in your body in this posture. And then slowly and gently release. Uncross the right ankle, so right foot stays on the floor this time. Left ankle crosses over. We go with a few little flutters of the knee and hip here. And then again, the invitation is moving from the hip joint, open that knee out. Knee comes away from the tummy. And then we reach around and take the back of that left thigh. If that feels okay, we reach, right thigh, my lefts and rights. If that feels okay, we hold the front of the right shin. Arm strength drawing you in. Knee and hip is opening out to the side. Soften the shoulders. Arm strength drawing in. Knee and hip opening out to the side. Relax the shoulders. Opening out here. Shoulders softening. Head heavy on the floor. Opening into the outside of that bum, thigh and hip. Keep breathing. and slowly and gently release. Now from here, switch on the tummy muscles, taking both knees into the chest. You're going to reach up and take hold of the baby toe side of the feet, feet to the ceiling, knees into the armpits. Your arms are holding the baby toe side of the feet, and we're going to use our arm strength to draw our knees into our armpits. Maybe a little rock side to side, maybe forwards and backwards. And again, try to drop your hips and your tailbone towards the earth as you draw your knees into the armpits. You're going to feel a pinching sensation in the back of into the hips on both sides. Keep working the arm strength here. Keep dropping the tailbone towards the earth. Breathing all the time. And then gently release, let the legs lengthen and stretch up like we did seated little points and flexes of those feet. Releasing, restoring hips and hamstrings. Nice little ankle circles here. If this is too much, you can bend the knees. And then we bend the knees, give yourself a lovely big hug. Rock side to side here. Holding onto the knees, doing nice circles. Releasing out the lower back, circling here. And then opposite direction. One knee in, one knee back. And then releasing feet to the floor. And you may choose to either lengthen out the legs or stay with the knees bent. And just take a few moments to breathe deep and full here. Really allowing your body to absorb the benefits of your practice, the movement, the breath, and now the rest. With each in-breath, imagining you're inhaling peace. And each exhale, we allow our bodies release. Inhaling peace and exhaling, releasing. Continuing to flow with your natural rhythm of breath and really allowing your bodies to rest heavily on the earth. If you're tight for time, you can come back up to close the practice. If you've got extra time, stay as you are and enjoy a little bit of rest as you let your body rest on the earth. Those of you who are tight on time, I'd just like to say thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope your body feels good. Hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. Namaste.